So I just noticed something weird. I actually bought $1 to test out if doggy actually happened. I think we can actually buy doggy. Like I think it says that the order got filled. I'm testing it out right now. Order pending. That's what I don't get. Like it says that it's pending, but oh shit! See, it got fucking filled, dude. I just did my doggy go up? 428 901. Wait, let me try it one more time. So you put in, all right. It's going. I think it's going through. Holy shit! I think it's actually buying. I mean, not really sure why it says that we that you can't buy it. It's actually going through for me. Okay, so 428 889. Is it actually going through? It says that it went through, right? Buying 12 doggy. It says filled. Market order says filled. So I just put in $1, right? Let's buy. It says doggy order pending. Is it actually going to go through? Quantity purchase, total cost. But then when I click done, like the order says that it's filled. It doesn't say queued. Is this working for you guys?